Today I will teach you to find the square root of decimal number by long division method. So here we will find the square root of this number. Okay. Look, this is 6-digit number 2 to 18. So what is the nearest square number of 18? 4 4 is 16. So we write here 4. 4 4 is 16. In hand 2. This point will go here. Now we take 2 digit simultaneously at a time. That is 240. Now what will I do? Here we will write the double of this number, that is 4 into 2, 8. Now if we write 3, so we have to multiply by 3. So it gets, it is a 9, 3 24. So that will cross the value of 240. So we will write here 2 and 2. So we multiply by 2, 2 2 is a 4, 2 8 is a 16, right? That is 676. Now we'll go for this number 41. We will write 41 here. Now the double of 42. You will don't consider the point here. Don't consider the decimal. So what is the double of 42? Double of 42 is 84. Okay. Now it is 1. So last, that means either it comes 9. Only 9 it can comes. Otherwise it will not match. Write here 9 and multiply by 9. 9 and right. So it is matching 4.29. Okay. Therefore root over 18.4041 equal to 4.29. In this way we can find the square root of a decimal number by long division method. Now here we will find the square root of 5.462, but correct to 2 decimal place. That means there will be 3 digit after the decimal. Why 3 digit? Because we have to go for round of figure. Okay. So we have to take 3 digit after square rooting of the number. There will be 3 digit after the decimal. Okay. So to get 3 digit after square root, we need at least 6 digit. We need 6, not at least, we need 6 digit after the decimal. But here we see there is only 3 digit after the decimal. So what will I do? We will add 3 zeros, right? Because this 0 is valueless now, because 5.462 and 5.462,000 are same. So if we go for square root now, what will I do? This way. This one, this one, this one. 5. Now 2 2 is a 4. 5 is a 1. This point will go here. 46 is coming. Here 2 ka double care 4. Double of 4 is 4. Now it is 3. Right here 3. 3 3 is a 9. 3 4 is a multiplying by 3. 3 3 is a 9. 3 4 is a 12. Right? 17. Now we write 20. This one we are writing here. The double of 2.3 is 646. So we write here, if we write here 4, no, we cannot write here 4, we write here 3, because otherwise it will cross the value. We write here 3, 3. So 3 3 is a 9. If we write here 3, we multiply this by 3. 3 3 is a 9, 3 6 is 18. 3, right? 331. Now these 2 0 will come here. Now what is the double of this one? This one. Okay. Now what will I write? If we write 8 here. Sure. No, 8 is not, you cannot write 8. If we write here 7. 7 7 is 49. It's coming. Right. It's coming. Please check the calculation. Right. 431. So it's coming 7. But I have to write correct to 2 decimal places. Correct to 2 decimal places we have to go. So here already I have taken 3 decimal place. Now required value, required square root equal to 2.3. So this is the 2 decimal place. Now after 3 there is 7 which is more than 5. Here 7, that is which is more than 5. So these 3, so we will increase this 3 by 1 as because here the number is 7 which is more than 5. So we write here 34 correct to 2 decimal place, right? So this is the answer. Okay, look, root 3, we have to find the value of root 3. Look at the here correct to 3 decimal place. That means after decimal we have to take 8 digit. 8 digit after decimal we have to take 8 digits. So the square root of that number will come after decimal 4 digit, and up from that 4 digit we will make it to correct to 3 decimal places. I did not understand. I know you didn't understand. Okay. So what we need? 3.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. One thing we do, we will bit height. Okay. So 3.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Why? Because this one, this one, this one, this one. So 4 digits are coming after decimal. After square rooting, we get 4 digits after decimal. That is why we have written here 8 digits. That is 8 zeros. Because this was not given. I have added this number. Now go for square root. What is the square number nearest 3? That is 1. 1 is a 1. We get 2. So 0.2 zeros are coming here. 1, 2, 7. 7 multiply karo 7 into 7. Multiply by 7 we get this one. 11. 2 zeros. 34. Okay. This is 3. Right here 3 multiply by 3. 3 is a 9. 71, right? Now 2 zeros already come. Now these 2 zeros, right? 346. Okay. If we write here 2, 2 to the 4. 343 is 9. Right. Okay. So 2 to the 4, 69. It's coming. Right? Only 3 digits have come. We need another one. These 2 zeros we'll add here. 34. Right? So if we, what did I write? So the double is to the 4, 6. If we write here 5, if we write here 5, no, it will cross. Write here 4. Achha, if we write here 5, what's happening? See, 2. No, it's crossing. So I will write here 4, right? 4 multiply by 4, right? Right. So 1.7 to the required square root equal to 1.73. Correct up to 3 decimal place. So this is the target. After 2 there is 4, that is which is less than 5. Which is less than 5. So 2 will remain here 1.732. This is the answer. अच्छा correct to लिखना पड़ेगा, correct to 2 decimal places, 2 decimal places. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, see the video and you just try. I think you will be able to understand. It's a very easy one. Just keep on trying. I think you can do. Okay, thank you, and thank you for watching the video.